Hi, Sarah Starr speaking here. Okay, in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to use WP X-ray. So WP X-ray is a spying tool. It enables you to spy on WordPress blogs and find out what plugins they're using, what themes they're using, and a whole bunch of other stuff as well. So I'm going to quickly show you how it works. Now the great thing about WP X-ray is there's no software to download, there's nothing to install. It's actually an add-on for the Chrome web browser. So once you've installed it, it actually appears here as a little icon in your toolbar within Chrome, which is really cool. So once you've actually installed it, it will appear here as this little yellow triangle. And then when you're on a WordPress blog like this site here, this is my site, we can click on the little button and this pop-up comes. And what this will actually do is it will show us a whole bunch of information which is so useful. So it will show you which WordPress theme they're using. It will show you the different plugins which are installed on the website. It will show you who is, so you can go and look up who owns the website, their email address, etc. And it will also do what's called a reverse IP lookup. So here we're able to see what other websites this person has. So these are some of my other websites. So this is really useful if you're, let's say you're reviewing, you're looking at an affiliate review website. What you can do is use the reverse IP lookup to find out all the other websites that that affiliate might have. So this can uncover other hidden niches, which is super useful. The other very useful thing with WP X-ray is we can find out how somebody is doing something on a website. So have you ever been to a website where you've seen like a pop-up or a Facebook like button or something like that, and you've wondered how do they actually do that? How is that possible? How have they actually managed to incorporate that into their website? Well, you can find out through the plugins which have been installed on the site. So for instance, I have on one of my posts I have some photos from Facebook, and a lot of people have asked me how to do that. Well, if they'd use WP X-ray, all they would need to do is click on Facebook Photo Fetcher here. This is one of the plugins I have installed, and the great thing is when you click on these links, what it will do is it'll open up another window and do a Google search, and then we can find out straight away this is a free plugin for WordPress. So a really good way to spy on competition. So let's just load up another website and let's have a quick spy on another website and see what we can find. So this is a technical website all about for musicians, all about equipment and audio equipment and so forth. And we can see that they're doing a number of, it's quite an interesting theme here. They've got a nice animation at the top here. Some people may not like that. Other people may wonder how they've done that. We've got an opt-in box here and some other stuff going on the website. So straight away we can see that the theme which they're using, it's quite a nice clean modern looking WordPress theme. It's something called Metro Pro. So if we click on that we can go and see what is Metro Pro. So we can see this is a StudioPress theme. In fact, I've used this theme before. And we can see it's a Genesis framework theme. It's a premium theme, but we can see we could actually go and basically get that exact theme for our website if we wanted to. If we're trying to emulate another website. This is very useful for local business marketing, because quite often when you have local business marketing clients, somebody will say, I'd like a website which looks like my competitor's website, and this way you can actually find out the exact theme which they're using. So we can also have a look at their plugins which they're using on their website. So we can see here they've got something called a Compact WP audio player, so that's really interesting. And what is that? That is, by looks of it, it's a free WordPress plugin that plays audio files. So that's how they're actually playing the audio files on their website. Really cool there. We can see here they're using WP polls. So we can see here down here they've got this survey. So they're actually asking people, what's your favorite wireless speaker? I don't know any of these, but I'll just say JBL. I've heard of them before. So that's really cool, and I can vote, and then it's going to probably show me the results. Yeah, okay, so we can see here that there's been over 300 people have voted, and Bose seems to be the top one here. So that's quite an interesting plugin there. You can ask people their opinion, and I've used a plugin like this on my website, and this is very useful if you want to find out what products people want to buy. You can ask them, and so how have they done that? Well, that's done with this plugin here. Look, WP Polls. So if we click on that, we can come here and we can straight away find out WP polls, and we can, sure enough, we can see, hey, that's a free WordPress plugin. So this is how you can find out what the competition is actually doing. Really, really useful. One other thing which we can do is we can look at the who is. So if I click on see who is, we can actually find out the owner of the website, which is very, very useful. So if we scroll down, we can find out it's registered in the United States. We have the phone number of the person who purchased the domain name. We can find out their name servers. We've got their address, and what we can actually do is we can actually contact that person. So that's very, very useful if, let's say, we wanted to buy a banner advert on this website. We could find the direct email address or phone number of the person who owns the website and actually just phone them up, or send them something in the post, or email them and say, hey, I'd love to buy a banner to put on your website. So really, really useful tool there for the who is information. And we've got the reverse IP lookup. So we can see here that there are 5 other websites hosted on this server. So we could actually go and have a look at their website. So we can see here there's a video camera website here, which looks quite interesting. Again, we can now start diving into other niches which this person who owns this site is involved in. So you can see here, we can start looking at the other websites this person has. Again, really useful if you're into affiliate marketing. So some cool stuff there. Let's have a look at one more site. Let's just have a look. So this is another site all about ways to get traffic to your website. And we can see here it's quite a nice, interesting, very, very modern, full-width, responsive theme here. They've got some nice Facebook buttons, Twitter buttons. Be quite interested to know how they've done that. Quite a nice layout, good size font, very nice theme actually. So if we click on WP X-Ray, we can see here that I think that's a custom theme by the look of it. Oh no, it's matte. No, there we go. So this is a theme, right? It's not a custom theme, so that's cool. So that's a WordPress theme we can get, and we can have a look at this, and we can see here that he's got 3 other websites, which is really useful. And he's using Opt-in Monster, so that's interesting as well. So that's let's go and have a look and see what that is. So Opt-in Monster. So Opt-in Monster is something that converts website visitors into subscribers. So that's really cool. We found out how he's actually building his email list kind of automatically. So this is just a really good way of reverse engineering what our competition is doing. Let's go and have a look at one more site. So johnloomer.com. There we go. So he's got a very nice theme as well. Some quite interesting things going on this site. Let's click on WP X-Ray again. And quite a nice theme. I wonder what theme that is. So, okay, we can see here it's a Studio Press theme. Again, using the Genesis framework. Seems to be very, very popular, Genesis framework at the moment for themes. So it's again a premium theme he's using. And he's using a Pinterest Pin It button for images, which is a very, very interesting new way to get traffic to your WordPress blog. So that's a very interesting thing he's doing here. So we could actually just click on that. We could come through, and actually that's a free WordPress plugin, believe it or not. So again, just a really good way to find out how he's getting traffic to his site. And we can also look at all the other websites which are hosted here, so we can do a little bit of spying on the competition. So I hope you can see how useful WP X-Ray is. You can get it for free today. All you need to do is there's an opt-in box on this page. Just click on that. Click on the Get It Now button, and then you can put your name and email in, and you can get WP X-Ray completely for free.